Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Open the Photos app on your iPhone and tap Albums at the bottom center. Scroll down to find the recently deleted album under Utilities and tap it open. In Recently Deleted, you see thumbnails, deletion dates, and remaining days for each photo. Tap Select and choose Images to recover or Delete to restore or remove them permanently. Restored items return to their original albums immediately. Remember, photos stay in Recently Deleted for 30 days before automatic permanent deletion. Open the Files app and tap Browse at the bottom to access locations and folders. Look for Recently Deleted in the Browse list and tap it to view removed documents and folders. Each file shows the deletion date and days remaining before permanent removal. Tap Select and choose Items, then tap Recover to restore files to their original folder. To free space, tap Delete immediately to permanently remove selected files. Files in Recently Deleted are retained for 30 days by default before automatic deletion. Open the Mail app and tap Mailboxes in the upper left corner to reveal account folders. Tap Trash under the account or All Trash to view deleted messages and attachments. Select Messages and tap Move, then choose Inbox to restore an email to its original folder. For Notes, open the Notes app and tap Back to show folders, then tap Recently Deleted. Select Notes and tap Recover to restore them or Delete Now to remove them permanently. Both Mail and Notes typically keep deleted items for about 30 days before final deletion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.